Everyone, welcome to the Power BI Projects tutorial course. In this course, we will understand the basics of Power BI with practical applications. We will be implementing all the concepts of Power BI with the help of projects. So, before starting the projects, we must understand the basic concepts of Power BI. Let us start by understanding what is Power BI. Power BI is a subsidiary software of Microsoft Corporation. It is a business intelligence platform that provides the non-technical businesses with the tools that help them to aggregate, analyze, visualize, and share the data. Power BI helps in working with the data and generating useful insights from that. For this process, this whole cycle takes place. The data is accessible, or whatever the data set is there, you need to access it. You can clean that data. You can mix many forms of data sets in Power BI. Then you explore those data sets, visualize them in the form of the different visualizations, and create a report, and then share those reports online with your community, with your colleagues, with anyone you want. This is the basic feature of Power BI, or a basic function of Power BI. Power BI's user interface is fairly intuitive for users who are familiar with the simple Microsoft application MS Excel. These are the following components of Power BI which play a very important role in visualizing its core concept. First is the Power Query that helps us to clean the data, because we all know the data that we get from the internet is usually unclean. There are inconsistencies in the data, the values are absent. So we need to clean that so that it becomes useful for us. We do it with the help of Power Query. Next, we have Power Pivot that helps us to model the data as per our requirements. Usually the data is present in a different format, but we may need it in a different format as per our requirements. So we model the data as per our requirements using Power Pivot. Third is the Power View, which helps us to create visualizations from the data. The different types of charts like the bar chart, column chart, area chart, pie chart, donut chart, or any other visualization like a table or anything else can be created with the help of Power View. Power BI service is one of the most important component of Power BI, because when you visualize your data, you don't do that for yourself. You do that for the company, right? And you need to share it over the internet with all of your team members. So how will you share the data? Well, Power BI service has the perfect answer. It allows you to share your data over to the people who you want to access that data. Now let us talk about the features of Power BI, like why is it so important? Why it is preferred over other business intelligence tools? The first thing is the search volume. Power BI ensures that we can get data from a multiple sources. Even if we want, we can get the data live from the web as well. So this is one of the strongest features of Power BI. Next is it supports maximum features, whether it is cleaning the data, whether it is analyzing the data, whether it is turning it into a visualization, or whether we talk about sharing the data. The maximum features are provided by Power BI only. Third is its cost. Well, Power BI is free to use. You can just download the Power BI desktop software, and that would be available for you to use freely as long as you want. There is no trial version, so once you download it, it's yours forever. The data connection issues. Actually, the data connection is the source and how it connects with the data. Usually we have the data in the CSV file, in an Excel sheet, etc. So what we want to do is we just want to import that data or connect our data to Power BI. So this is the data connection that is provided by Power BI. There are a humongous amount of data sources that are directly supported by Power BI. So it doesn't matter if your data is present in a Spark file, in a Hadoop file, or any other file, you can very easily connect any of your data source directly to Power BI. Since Power BI is a subsidiary product of Microsoft, so the trust is also present. Like, you are comfortable in creating your reports and sharing your sensitive information using Power BI because you know Microsoft is there to back your data. The data security is provided by Microsoft using Power BI. So this was about Power BI. Now let us take a look at the projects and what we would be doing in this whole course. So we would be taking a look at these 8 projects that are available over here in the form of a list. The first is the COVID-19 dataset analysis. Second is the global terrorism data analysis. The 2019 Cricket World Cup data analysis takes the 3rd spot. Fruit sales and inventory analysis takes the 4th spot. After that, we will analyze the customer preferences, which is basically based upon the data set of the customers who signed up for the email newsletters. Olympics dataset analysis provides us insights into the historical data because in this we would be looking at the 120 years of data set of the Olympics and analyzing that. The rate of the unemployment and what are the factors that affect it is given to us by this unemployed citizens data analysis, and the customer sentiment analysis of the bank customers is given in the last Power BI project. So this is the whole project that we'll be taking a look in this course. Thanks for watching this video.